The story of Yamaha's R series has always been about bringing race-inspired performance to real-world riders. From the legendary YZF-R9 to the highly successful middleweight models, Yamaha has spent decades refining the balance between speed, control, and everyday usability. Now, that evolution continues with the arrival of the 2027 YZF-R9, a motorcycle that represents a new chapter in the supersport category. The first look at the new R9 comes through a cinematic presentation that immediately highlights its purpose. The video opens with a rider dressed in Yamaha racing gear preparing beside a Team Yamaha Blue machine before revealing the 2027 R9 graphic against a dramatic mountain backdrop. Yamaha also showcases a darker body color option paired with striking red wheels, giving riders another bold styling choice. As the video progresses, the R9 attacks winding mountain roads with confidence, demonstrating the kind of agility and stability that riders expect during spirited canyon rides. The scenery then shifts from public roads to a dedicated race circuit, where the motorcycle's true supersport character comes alive. Fast corner entries, smooth transitions, and impressive composure emphasize that this machine is designed for far more than daily transportation. Interest in the R9 has grown rapidly among Yamaha enthusiasts because it fills an important space within the R series lineup. Riders have long admired the performance and personality of Yamaha's CP3 engine, and the R9 brings that celebrated power plant into a fully focused supersport package. At the heart of the 2027 YZF-R9 is the renowned 890 cubic centimeters CP3 inline-3 engine, producing approximately 117 horsepower and 93 Newton-meters of torque. The bike combines strong mid-range performance with exciting top-end power, making it equally enjoyable on the street and the track. MotoGP-inspired aerodynamic winglets help improve stability during hard acceleration, while the lightweight aluminum delta box frame provides precise handling. Fully adjustable KYB suspension and Brembo Stylema front brake calipers complete a package built for serious performance. The result is a motorcycle that blends everyday usability with genuine supersport capability, making the 2027 YZF-R9 one of Yamaha's most exciting performance machines yet.